interesting conversation is that Congress, when they amended that act in 1991, specifically said, by the way, you can't bring a disparate impact claim over drug testing. So if that drug testing program, if you're screening out disproportionately or at a higher statistical rate any particular group, let's say minority males, then you can't be sued for disparate impact. The theory just isn't allowed under the statute. Now, disparate treatment is also covered under the statute, and that has to do with discriminatory treatment. And that still is absolutely recognized for drug testing and all kinds of other claims. It's a familiar claim for those of you who are employers and HR folks. When somebody says that they were discriminated against based on legally protected status, their sex, their race, their national origin, color, religion under Title VII, if what we did, if they said, well, you don't ever select non-minorities for testing, you only pick on the minority employees for testing, that could be a disparate treatment claim. If that were true, that would violate Title VII if we scrutinize one group of people more than another group of people based on their race, for example, or their sex or their national origin. Or if we said, well, when you got a positive drug test, if you're male, then you are allowed to continue and be employed, but if you're female, you get fired. Imposing a harsher discipline could be a Title VII issue in the drug testing context. And how do you defend a discrimination claim? Consistency of practice, so that random testing, if it's really random, is a great way to say, hey, we didn't pick anybody, we didn't discriminate, it was a random selection. If you always take the same action, you always allow one rehab, you never allow one rehab, you terminate anybody with a positive test, that's how you defend a discrimination case. So you want to be able to treat like situations in like ways